Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. In our recipe today, we are making a tutorial video on how to make a roasted coriander powder. So for this, I'm just taking a small amount, which is a quarter cup of coriander seeds, and we are going to roast this and then we'll grind that. So let's get into the stove without further delay. I've already preheat the tawa, which is also I used to make chapatis or in pratas on this as well, but I'm using this to roast. So for that, and I will have a medium low, make sure that it's not high, a medium low, and pour all of them into the tawa or the griddle, and we can start roasting them. So slowly and gently, and as I am stirring them, I can already start smelling. This is a very quick one, so you have to make sure that it doesn't get burnt, and at the same time it has to be roasted, change its color a little bit to a light golden brown, and we can remove them and cool it off before we grind. And viewers, sometimes when it's the indication also we could see it will start to smoke. If you could see the smoke, it's an indication that it is getting ready. So at that moment, as you see the color gets changed, not too deep brown, but as a light brown, and we can always remove them, and we can cool it off before we grind it. So on my side, I can see the smoke it's smoking, and in a short moment I will be removing it. It's a very quick and easy roasted coriander. Coriander, even cumin seeds gets roasted very fast, so we got to be careful on that. It's just a tip for you that cumin seeds and even fennel also gets roasted very quickly. And it's getting closer. I will close up the coriander seeds as the coloring is changing. I hope you could see the seeds is changing its color, and this is an indication that I could remove the seeds and cool it off. So viewers, I have already transferred into a cooling plate, so in a plate, small plate, and so let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes, completely cool, then we'll start grinding. And dear viewers, the coriander seeds are already cool off, and I've already transferred them into a coffee grinder because it's a small quantity, so I'm just doing with a small amount, and so we'll start grinding them. And dear viewers, it is just that we got to transfer them, and our coriander powder is ready. And dear viewers, our roasted coriander powder is ready. So this is how we do. We roast them on a tawa, then pull it off, grind it, and we get a good amount of roasted coriander powder. In Indian cooking, which has been used in commonly most of the dishes, So I prefer my spices to be roasted and grounded in the home instead of buying from the stores. But sometimes when times runs out, I do buy them from the store as well. But this is the best way that your curries and your gravies taste much more better. You can also make in huge quantity and store them in an airtight container, and also keep them in your refrigerator, or if you are using it for a quick one, just grind it at the spot and use it immediately. So thank you viewers for watching this video with me, and also for those who are new, welcome aboard, and for those who have been with me, thank you very much. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Friday Friendly Kitchen wishes you a joyful fall season, and also wishes you well. Till then, see you then.